Hello guys, welcome to the channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers. In this video, I am going to discuss 20 most important questions regarding the subject Applied Chemistry, Unit number 1. So let's get started. Question number 1. Whose effort of systematic classification of element become the base of the modern periodic table? Options are Option A. Rutherford, B. Dobereiner, Option C. Robert Kirchhoff, Option D. Mendeleev. The correct answer is D. Mendeleev. Question number 2. Identify the incorrect sentence for the modern periodic table. Options are A. The elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic number. Option B. There are 7 horizontal rows in the periodic table. Option C. There are 9 groups which are further subdivided into 18 subgroups. Option D. Horizontal rows in the periodic table are called the periods. The correct answer is C. There are 9 groups which are further subdivided into 18 subgroups. Question number 3. According to whom an orbital cannot have both electron in same spin? Options are Option A. Above, Option B. Robert Kirchhoff, Option C. Pauli, Option D. Friedrich Hund. The correct option is C. Pauli. Question number 4. When outer electron feel the repulsion because of intervening electron, the effect is known as A. Penetration of orbitals, B. Hund's rule, C. Shielding effect, D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Shielding effect. Question number 5. Slater's rule is applied to calculate the following property of atom. Option A. Z multiple. Option B. Shielding effect. Option C. Z. Option D. Both A and B. The correct answer is option D. Both A and B. Question number 6. Van der Waals radii is options A. Equal to covalent radii. B. More than covalent radii. C. Less than the covalent radii. D. Both the radii are not related. The correct answer is option number B. More than covalent radii. Question number 7. The filling of molecular orbital takes place according to options are Option A. The above principle. B. Pauli exclusion principle. Option C. Hund's rule for maximum multiplicity. Option D. All the mentioned. The correct answer is D. All the mentioned. Question number 8. A. Bond order correspond to an unstable molecule, whereas filling the blanks bond order indicate a stable molecule. Options are A. Negative or 0 or positive. Option B. 0 and negative. Option C. Positive and negative. Option D. 0 and positive. The correct answer is A. Negative or 0 and positive. Question number 9. Bond disorder. Bond dissociation energy is directly proportional to the A. Bond number, B. Bond order, C. Bond length, D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Bond order. Question number 10. A molecule is fill in the blanks if all the electrons are paired. Options are A. Diamagnetic. Options B. Paramagnetic. Option C. Non-magnetic. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Diamagnetic. Question number 11. A molecule is paramagnetic if it has electron. Options are A. Paired, B. Unpaired, C. No electron, D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Unpaired. Question number 12. A hydrogen molecule is formed by the combination of atomic orbital of two hydrogen atoms. Options are A. 2s2, B. 1s2, C. 1s1, D. 2s1. The correct answer is C. 1s1. Question number 13. According to the molecular orbital theory, the shape and size of a molecular orbital depend upon option A. Shape and size of combining atomic orbital. Option B. Number of the combining atomic orbital. Option C. Orientation of the combining atomic orbital. Option D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is D. All of the mentioned. Question number 14. Antibonding molecular orbital are obtained by filling the blanks of wave function of atom. Options are A. Addition. Option B. Multiplication. Option C. Division. Option D. Subtraction. The correct answer is D. Subtraction. Question number 15. The bond order of 1, 2 and 3 represent single, double and triple bond respectively, whereas 0 or negative bond order indicate an option A. stable molecule, option B diamagnetic, option C unstable molecule, option D paramagnetic. The correct answer is C unstable molecule. Question number 16. Bonding molecular orbital are obtained by of the function of atom. Options are A subtraction, option B addition, option C multiplication, option D division. The correct answer is B addition. Question number 17. Fill in the blank. Substance when placed in the magnetic field decrease the intensity of magnetic field as compared to vacuum. Option A diamagnetic, option B paramagnetic, option C ferromagnetic, option D ferrimagnetic. The correct answer is A diamagnetic. Question number 18. Substance when placed in magnetic field align themselves parallel to the direction of field. Options are A diamagnetic, B paramagnetic, C ferromagnetic, D ferrimagnetic. The correct answer is B paramagnetic. Question number 19. Extreme paramagnetism is called as option A diamagnetic, option B paramagnetic, option C ferromagnetic, option D ferrimagnetic. The correct answer is C ferromagnetic. Question number 20. In substance with increase in temperature, magnetic susceptibility start increasing. Options are A diamagnetic, option B paramagnetic, option C ferromagnetic, option D ferrimagnetic. The correct answer is D ferrimagnetic.